In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on your Windows 11 computer. To disable notifications and pop-ups on your computer, first head over to the Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings window, then select System on the left-hand side and choose Notifications. To turn off all notifications, simply disable the toggle button. If you want to be more selective about which applications can send notifications, scroll down to the list of applications. You can disable notifications on an individual app's basis. For example, if I don't like to receive notifications from this app, simply I'll turn off the toggle button next to it. You can do the same for any other applications you want to disable. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.